What's up, guys? It's your friendly snowman, Frosty the Icy White Boy, reporting live from the 6. You know what it is. I'm going to get right into it, try to make it a quick video. I'm just touching on something. I just got Studio One 4 with my PreSonus audio box USB 96 bundle that I got off of Amazon with 2 monitor speakers and some dope headphones and a microphone. You know what I'm saying? So let's get right into it. The issue that I'm having and what I'm reaching out to the YouTube world and to the online community about is this. So, you have a couple options. When it opens it up, this is the arrangement window. You know what I'm saying? You have a lot of, it's pretty cool. Whatever, these are just some loops that I slapped together. You know what I'm saying? But my issue is you can have a browse window, you can have an edit window, and you can have a mix window. Now the mix window doesn't actually open up like that. It opens up like this. Boom, whatever. And you don't really have like a lot of room up here. Now you can get rid of this, and then that kind of gives you more room. And then you could also probably adjust this a little bit, but that's, but you can't do that for the mix. The mix is pretty big, takes up a lot of room. You know what I'm saying? And you can detach the window, and this is my issue. This is where my issue comes in. You should be able to switch between the windows. It's not allowing me to switch between the windows. Now, I don't know if maybe it's something that I overlooked or something that I missed, but, and I know it's not a big deal to just close it and then reopen it and then close it. You know what I'm saying? But I like the expose. I like to be able to switch between windows pretty easily. I'm a frequent user of that. And the only video that I found on it that touches on it actually says that you should be able to do it using shortcuts, using your OS shortcuts. And we can take a look at that video right here, a brief clip of that video.
Now, all of these windows that we have over here, we have the option as well to detach them by selecting this little arrow. I can, for example, detach this. So if I had a multi-screen setup, I could simply move this off to another screen. And then, of course, we could even go maximize with this, and we could go full screen. So now, essentially, we have these 2 different windows, and then I could use any shortcuts within my OS to swap back and forth between them. Let's go ahead and let's reattach this window, though, or redock.
So my issue is that's not really a true statement. I mean, if you should be able to switch between the windows, then, your expose should be able to switch you between, these windows. As you can see, I'm clicking on the arrangement window and nothing. And I can go down here to YouTube, or I can go to here and see, I click on that, and it's always that screen that comes up. Like I said, not a big deal, but if you could, any help would be awesome. Comment below, like the video, holla at your boy, just get at me, because that would be, I would think it'd be an easy fix, but I just can't figure it out. I went into the view options, I went into the preferences, and I can't find anything that really touches on it. I can't find any forum feeds about it or anything like that. So like I said, if you could help me out, that'd be awesome. If not, I don't know. All right, peace.